Hi everyone, in today's video, I want to guide you on how to change default font in Gmail account. This is very simple. Guys, in less than 1 minute, you are good to go. Make sure you log into your Gmail account. Come to this settings icon at top corner here, click on it. Once you click on it, then from the drop down option that comes out, click on see all settings. Now that click on see all settings, you have a lot of options here, ranging from general, label, inbox and others. Then make sure you click under general. By default it should be under general, but in case it is not, then click on general, then scroll down to general. Now under general, you see a button that says default text style. Use this remove formatting button on the toolbar to reset the default. Now the first you have to do is take a look at what you see here, this particular setting as we set up it here. The first one is this button, which is the default font. Click on it. You have different one here. By default is on sans serif, so I like Comic Sans. Click on it. You see that this default has been changed. Then click on this one to increase the size. Let me click on large. You see that it also changed. Then click on this button to change color. By default is black. You can choose any color that suits you from the option that comes here. So let me pick this one. Let me use this one. Now it has set, and if you want to remove all these settings, just click on this button. It remove formatting. Now that I put on this one, scroll down to the base of this page, click on save change. Once you click on save change, it redirects to this interface. Now you can see that it has changed here. Now click on this compose and see what has happened. Then come to this place and start typing. You can see that the color has changed, the font has changed, and that's it, guys. You've been able to change the font format and font size and font color on Gmail account. If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for amazing updates like this.